Welcome back to the channel everyone. So in today's video we will discuss about different types of string functions in Java. So the string class defines a lot of string functions. Assume that s1 and s2 are two string type variables we have. Basically string is nothing but a sequence of characters, or we can say string is a group of characters, and these string functions are used to perform some kind of operations on our string variable, or when we want to modify our string we can use these string functions. So as you can see we have different types of string function here. Int length, this is the return type of the function, guys. This int means this function returns integer type value. Okay, so we have different kind of functions like length, character add, to uppercase, to lowercase, equals ignore case, substring. You can read the description to get idea about which function is used for what purpose. Okay, so we have other types of functions such as contains, is empty, replace, index of, trim, and concat. So these are the string functions we have. Now let me show you an example, and I will use some of the string function here so that you guys have idea about the string functions, how it is used. Okay, so here I created one class which is string f, and I have defined the main method, and as you can see here I write a string variable here which is string. S is the name of our string variable and this is our string. Okay, so now if I want to find the length of the string variable s, what we have to do, we have to use the length method. So how it is used, first we have to write the name of our string variable dot length. Okay, so now this method finds the length of our string and returns the integer value, which is nothing but the total number of characters. Okay, so as you can see it returns the integer value, so we have to store that integer value in integer variable. So we have to take integer variable here, so integer len equals to s dot length. Okay, so this method returns the integer value and that value will be stored in this len variable. Len means length. Okay, so now after finding the length we have to print that length. System.out.println, and let's write len here. So this prints the value of len variable. So let me run this program, and as you can see here it prints 10. Now this 10 means in our string we have total 10 characters. As you can see this h is one character, so h I, this is second character, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so as we have 10 characters it returned 10. Now let's see some more string functions. So let's say I want to convert my entire string in uppercase. Okay, I want to convert my all the characters in uppercase. So what we have to do, we have to write s dot, and we have to use two uppercase function here, which is two uppercase here, and this function converts our string in uppercase and returns that string. So because it returns the uppercase string, we have to store that uppercase string. So we have to take string variable again here, say for example uppercase, so uc for uppercase, and print that also. System.out.println. Okay, so, and print here uc. Okay, let me run this program again. Okay, so as you can see it convert our entire string in uppercase, as you can see here. Okay, same as lowercase. If you want to convert our entire string in lowercase, write simply lower here, and here I can take lc for lowercase and lc. Okay, let me run again this program. So as you can see it convert entire string in lowercase. This h, o, and c is also converted into lowercase. Okay, so that's how the function work. Let's take one more string function which is character add. Now say for example you want to know the specific character using the index. What I'm saying is you want this g, say for example you want to print this g on screen using the index. So how you can do it? So you have to use one function which is character add. So let's again do the same step, s dot character add, and within this bracket you have to specify the index. Now what is the index of this g? The index is 2 because the indexing also starts indexing always starts with 0, guys. So this h have index 0, I have index 1, and g have index 2. So we have to specify 2 here in order to print the g on our screen. Okay, so now because it returns the character, we have to take one character here, character C equals to s dot character head, and then print that character out dot println and here C. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, so as you can see, it prints G here because in index 2 we have G in our string. So that's how you can use the different kind of string function. You can try other string function on your own, and I will provide a description, I will provide a material in the description below so that you guys have more idea about string function. And this is all about string functions, guys. So that's it for today's video. If you do like the video, hit the like button. If you have any doubts or query, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.